Hi everyone, in this video I am going to cover 60 important and expected questions topic wise for the upcoming CGL shifts. So let's start with the first question. See this question here, what is the equivalent discount percentage corresponding to two successive discounts of 9% and 17%? So what is the effective discount percentage formula? Simply A plus B minus AB by 100. Okay, remember this effective discount percentage formula. So here A 9 and B 17 minus 9 times 17 by 100. 9 plus 17 26 minus 79, so much 90 plus 63 153 by 100, so 1.53. So 26 minus 1 25, 25 minus 0.53 25, 4.47% is our answer, option number 1. Next question. See this question here. A dishonest shopkeeper promises to sell his goods at its cost price, but he uses 840 grams instead of 1 kg. Means he has to give 1000 grams, but he is giving 840 grams only. They asked us to find profit percentage. Profit percentage. Dishonest shopkeeper profit percentage formula: error value by given value multiplied by 100. See what is the error value here? He has to give 1000, but he is giving 840, which is 160 less. Given value he is giving 840 multiplied by 100. 0 for 4s and for 21s. So we got 400 by 21 percentage, or 21 ones 21, and you will be left with 19 190 21 nines, so 19 point something, which is option number 4. Let's hear next question. See this question here. The market price of a toy is 30,000. So market price is given as 30,000. On this market price, allowing two successive discounts of 24 and 20% seems. So on this market price, 20% and 24% successive discounts, and also on cash payment an additional 10% discount seems, means one more discount 10%. They asked us to find the selling price. Means if we are giving these discounts on market price, they asked us to find the selling price. First we need to find the effective discount percentage, right? So just now we discussed a formula. Effective discount formula is A plus B minus AB by 100, right? So first if I find effective discount of 20 and 10 here, 20 plus 10 30 minus 20 times 10 by 100, so minus 2. So effective discount is 28%. So for now 28% and 20%. 28 plus 24 how much? 52 minus 28 times 24 by 100. So what is the product of 28 and 24? Difference is 4. So I can write this as 26 plus 2 and 26 minus 2, right? A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. 26 square is 676 minus 4, 672 by 100, 6.72. So 62 minus 6.72. 52 minus 6.46 minus 0.4, so 45.28% is the effective discount here. Now what is the actual percentage of the value we have given here? 100 minus 45.48, which is 54.72% is the percentage we have given for the selling price. So 54.72% of 30,000 is a selling price here. Percentage 2 zeros gets cancelled, 0.20 gets cancelled, so our value is 5472 multiplied with 3. Unit digit 6, we have 3 options like that. So 3 2 6, 3 7 21, 2 carry forward, 3 4 12. So last 3 digits is 416, which is option number 2. Next question. See this question here. A shopkeeper wanted to sell 2000 worth of products. So he wanted to sell 2000 worth of products, but he had two options. It seems. First option is giving 3 successive discounts of 10%, means 10%, 10%, 10%, like this 3 successive discount, option number 1, and giving a single discount of 28%. Option number 2 is giving 28% single discount. They asked us to find difference between two options of discount. What is the effective discount of these 3 discount values? Same, apply the formula. For 2 values, effective discount is 10 plus 10, 20 minus 10 into 10, 100 by 100 minus 1. So 19% effective discount for 2 discounts. Now we have to find the effective for 19 and 10. 19 plus 10, 29 minus 19 into 10 by 100, 1.9. So 29, if I take 2, 29 minus 2, 27, 1.1. So 27.1% is the effective discount here. Here 28. So the difference here is 0.9 percentage. They asked us to find 0.9 percentage of 2000. So 2000 of 0.9 percentage. How much? Percentage jury just cancel, 0.10 cancel, 2 9s, 18 is our answer. Option number 1. Next question. Now percentage questions. See here, salary of Neha first increased by 13%, means 13% increase and decreased by 13% and 13% decrease. They asked us change in her salary. See, if same value increase and same value decrease, means same value x percentage increase and x percentage decrease, we always get the decrease, which is x square by 100. Here negative sign indicates decrease. Okay, x value is 13, 13 square is 169 by 100. So we got minus 1.6 percentage decrease, which is option number no increase. So option number 2, or else you can substitute in the formula. We have a plus b plus ab by 100 effective percentage. Here for increase you will take plus and for decrease you will take negative. You will come up to this part of the step only if you use the same formula. Okay, next question. See this question here. In an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters cast their votes, means if P is the total number of votes, in this total number of votes 75% of votes cast. 75% is how much? 3 by 4, right? So in this total votes 3 by 4 multiplied people cast their votes. These are the total cast their votes, out of which 2% of votes were declared invalid. Means out of the people who casted, in this 2% is invalid, means remaining 98% is valid only, right? So these are valid votes. So here in these valid votes, a candidate got 9261 votes, it seems, which were 75% is the total valid votes. These are the valid votes. In this 75% means 3 by 4th of votes he got, which are 9261, it seems. They asked us to find total number of votes, which is p value. See here, 3 9 means 3 times 3 9. So 9 tens 90, 26, 9 twos 18, 81, 9 nines 81. So 98 tens how much? 98 tens is 980, right? So 10 times and you left with 20 plus 49, which is half. So 10.5. 98 10 times is 10, 1029. So we got p value 4 times 4 16 times 100 times 10.5. So 1 point. So p is 16 5 is 80, 8 carry forward, 16 0 0 8 and 16 1 16 and one more 0. 16,800 is the answer. Option number 2. Next question. See this question here. The total income of two persons A and B is 42,000. So let's say A plus B total income is given as 42,000 rupees. Okay. If the income of A and B is increased by 8% and 3% respectively, means A's income is increased by 8% and B's income is increased by 3%, it seems, and the given total income of both of them is increased by 2,800. So total we got an increase of 2,800 rupees, it seems. They asked us to find the income of B. You can do by allegation, but I'll say one more method. See here, A is increased by 8%. If B is also increased by 8%, we'll get 8% increase of total income, right? Say again, I'll repeat. Here A's income is increased by 8%. If B's income is also increased by 8%, we'll get 8% increase of total income, right? What is the 8% of total income? 1% is 420. So 8% is 8 times 420, 320 plus 16, 3360 rupees should be increased. But actually the amount increased is 2,800. So how much less? 200 plus 350, 360. So 560 rupees less increased. Why? Because B is increased only 3%, which is 5% less. So this 5% value we got 560 rupees. They asked us to find B's income, so 100%. That's all. See, 520s, similarly 20s, 56 2 times 112 2 zeros, 11,200 is our answer. Option number 4. Next question. See this question here. From the salary of a software engineer, let the total salary be A. From this total salary, 15% is used as house rent. What is 15%? 15% is 3 by 20, right? If total salary is 20 parts, he used 3 parts it seems. So what is the remaining? 17 parts of 20 is left. So 17 by 20 is left. Out of this, 25% of the remaining is spent on household it seems. 25% is how much? 1 by 4. Means in 4 parts, he spent 1 part, he will be left with 3 parts, right? So he is left with 3 by 4. Again, 25% of the remaining as income tax. If 25% of the remaining is sold, remaining will be left with again 3 by 4 multiplied, and 15% is remaining on clothes. Again 15% is 3 by 20, 20 parts is in 20 parts. If 3 parts is spent, we will be left with 17. So again 17 by 20. After this, he is left with 10,404 it seems. So after all these deductions, he is left with 10,404. Dash us to find his total salary means A value. See here, 3 3 is 9. So 9 11s 99. You will be left with 550. 9 5 is 45. You will be left with 554 and 6 is 54. And see 17 6 how much? 60 plus 42 102. And you will be left with 102 8 plus 5 13 136. So 17 8 is 136. So 17 4 is 68. So our answer is A. 4 times 4 16, 16 4 is 64 multiplied with 20 square is 400. 64 4 is 256, 25600 is our answer. Option number 2. Next question. See this question here. A solid cylinder having radius of base as 28 centimeters. Here they are given radius 28 and height as 50 centimeters. Height they are given 50 centimeters. Bisected from its height to get two identical cylinders. Means across height, if I do a bisection, see like this, if I do a cross section here, I will get two cylinders, right? See top one cylinder and bottom another cylinder. Okay, they asked percentage increase in total surface area. See after the bisection, here we will get an increase of one area of circle and here we will get one more area of the circle increase, right? So area of the circle is pi r square. So here 2 increase. So we got a total surface area increase of 2 pi r square. Means for one cross section we got 2 pi r square increase. So for two cross sections we get 4 pi r square increase like this. Okay. So what is the total surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h plus r. So how do we find that increased percentage? So increased value divided by initial value multiplied with 100. That's all right. So 2 pi gets cancelled, r gets cancelled. So we left with r value 28, h plus r 50 plus 28 multiplied with 100. So we left with, if I cancel with 2, 1400 divided by 25 plus 14, 39% is our answer. So see here, 39 5 how much? 39 3 how much? 90 plus 27, 90 plus 27 117. So you will be left with 23 230. So 39 5 how much? 150 plus 45 195. So 35 point something is our answer, which is option number 2. Next question. Now trigonometric questions. Okay, see here, if 5 tan x is 3, find the value of this expression. See we have 5 tan x is 3. So I can write this as 5 sin x by cos x is 3. So from this I got sin x by cos x ratio is 3 by 5. Okay, and the expression is also in the form of sin x and cos x, and here the degree of the numerator and denominator is same. So I can directly substitute sin x as 3 and cos x as 5. So see here, 5 sin x is 3 minus cos x 5 divided by 7 sin x is 3 plus 2 cos x is 5. 15 minus 5 10 divided by 21 plus 10 31. 10 by 30 was in answer, option number 1. Next question. See this question here, if 2y cos alpha is equal to x sin alpha and 2y secant alpha minus y cosecant alpha is 3, they asked us to find this value. So here x, y and alpha. Here we have 3 variables and they are given 2 equations. So I can assume 1 variable, right? So here if you observe, we have cos alpha, sin alpha, secant alpha and cosecant alpha. So it is best to assume alpha as 45 degrees. So if I substitute alpha as 45 degrees in this equation, I get 2y cos 45 1 by root 2 equals x sin 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 gets cancelled. So we got x equals 2y. And if I substitute x equals to 45 in this equation, we get 2x secant alpha is root 2 minus y cosecant alpha is root 2 equals 3. See, here we got x equals to 2y, right? So if I substitute x as 2y here, so I get 4y root 2 minus y root 2 is 3. So 4y root 2 minus y root 2, so 3y root 2 is 3. So from this we got y value 1 by root 2. So if y is 1 by root 2, x is how much? Root 2 only, right? So we got xy values in, if I substitute here, x is root 2, so root 2 whole square 2 plus 4 times y square, 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So 2 plus 2, 4 is our answer, option number 1. Next question. See this question here, find the value of this expression. So before finding, let me give a small concept. If two angles sum is 90 degrees, we know that sin A equals cos B and cos A equals sin B, okay? And similarly, tan A equals cot B and cot A equals tan B, and also it will true for secant A and cosecant B also, okay? See here, 65 plus 25, sum is 90, so cos A equals sin B, we will get 1, plus similarly 19 plus 71, sum 90, so the equal gets cancelled, plus 5 minus 28 plus 62, sum 90, so they get cancelled, 3, 6 minus 3, 3 is our answer, option number 4. Next question. See this one, if sin A plus cos A is given as root 11 by 3, they ask us to find sin A minus cos A. You can do squaring and you can do by normal method. I'll say one formula, remember that formula. If A sin theta plus B cos theta is given as P and B sin theta minus A cos theta is given as Q, then we have a relation A square plus B square equals P square plus Q square, okay? Remember this. So here A is given as 1 and B is also given as 1. Here P value is given as root 11 by 3. So root 11 by 3 whole square plus we have to find Q value here. So 2 minus root 11 by 3 whole square 11 by 9 which equals Q square. So Q square equals 18 minus 11 by 9 which is 7 by 9. So we got Q root 7 by 3 is our answer, option number 1. Next question. See this question here, find the maximum value of this expression. See here we have 19 sin A plus 6 cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A multiplied with sin A. See sin A gets cancelled. So we need to find 19 sin A plus 6 cos A maximum value. First remember this, if A sin theta plus B cos theta, if they have given this form of expression, maximum value is plus square root of A square plus B square and minimum value is minus square root of A square plus B square, okay? Here they asked us maximum value, so plus square root of 19 square plus 6 square, which implies plus 19 square is 361, 6 square is 36, so our answer is plus square root of 397, which is option number 1. Next question. See here, distance of a chord PQ from center is 7 centimeters. Let the chord be this one. So here they have given PQ is our chord and let us suppose A is the center. They have given us the distance from the center to the chord is 7 centimeters, okay? And they said if the diameter of the circle is 50, they asked us to find the length of the chord, means they asked us to find the PQ length here. So we know that the line from the center to the chord makes 90 degrees with the chord and also divides the chord in two equal parts, which means if I keep this point as B, the length of BQ is equals length of PB. Okay. See here they have given diameter is 50. If diameter is 50, radius how much? 25 centimeters, right? So if you observe ABQ is a right angle. So we know that triplet with 725 is 7, 24 and 25. So then the length of PQ is 24 centimeters. If BQ is 24, PB is also 24 centimeters, right? Then length of the chord PB equals 24 plus 24, 48 centimeters as answer, option number 4. Next question. See this one here. If the length of external common tangent and internal common tangent of two circles is 13 and 7 respectively, what is the external common tangent and internal common tangent? There is nothing but external common tangent is direct common tangent and internal common tangent is transverse common tangent. These values are given as direct common tangent value 13, transverse common tangent value 17. They asked us to find the product of their radii. Means if there are two circles with radii r1 comma r2, they asked us to find r1 multiplied by r2, this value. So what is the formula? We can use direct common tangent and transverse common tangent to get product of r1 and r2. Simply direct common tangent whole square minus transverse common tangent whole square equals 4 radius of one circle multiplied with radius of another circle. Remember this formula, okay? Direct common tangent value is 13. So 13 square minus transverse common tangent 7 square, we got as 4 r1 r2. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, 13 minus 7, 6. So which is 4 r1 r2. From this 4 5s, r1 r2 value is 30, which is option number 1. Next question. See this question here. The area of sector of a circle with radius 18 centimeters is 54 pi. So let this is be our required sector and the radius is given as 18 centimeters. Okay. Here they are given area of the sector is 54 pi and they asked us to find the length of corresponding arc of the sector. Means this length they ask us to find. Let it be L. What are the basic formulas we know about area and length of the arc of a sector, which is area is nothing but theta by 360 pi r square and length of the arc L is theta by 360 2 pi r. But here they did not mention any angle theta. So how do you find relation between A and L here? Just divide these two formulas. So what do we get? Theta by 360 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, 1 r gets cancelled. So we got A by L equals r by 2. So area equals L r by 2. Remember this relation between area of the sector and length of the arc. Okay. Here they have given area value 54 pi. So 54 pi equals length multiplied with radius how much? 18 divided by 2. See 18 3s. So length equals 6 pi is our answer, option number 3. See the next one. See this question here. The perimeter of the sector of a circle with radius 7.4 centimeters is 20.6. Let O is the center of the circle and OAB be the our required sector. Okay, and the given radius is 7.4 and they also given the value 20.6, which is perimeter of the sector. What is the perimeter of the sector here? Which is length of the arc, which is L here, L plus twice of the radius, OA and OB, right? So twice of the radius. This value they given is 20.6. So 20.6 equals L plus twice radius is 7.4. So from this we get length of the arc as 20.6 minus 2 times 7.4, which is 14.8. So L is 0.6 minus 0.8, which is 0.6, 19 minus 4, 55. So length of the arc is 5.6. But they asked us to find area of this sector. Just now we saw the relation between area and the length of the arc, right, which is area equals LR by 2. Okay. From this area equals length is 5.6, R is 7.4 divided by 2. So area equals 5.6 multiplied with 3.7. So our answer is we get a 2 decimals and the last decimal is 6. So we have two options like that. So 1 and 2 are gets cancelled. And see here, if I take approx 5.6 as 6 and approx 3.7 as 3.5, I'll get a value like 18 plus 3, 21. So I'll get answer around 21. So our answer is option number 4. Let's hear next question. See this question here. Perimeter of the sector of a circle is 53. They have given perimeter. See this question here. Perimeter of sector of a circle is 53. So they are given perimeter 53 centimeters, and they also given area of this sector is 175. They are given area 175 centimeter square. They asked you to find radius of the circle. They asked you to find radius of. See, OAB is our sector here. So here they have given perimeter and area. What is the perimeter here? Length of the arc, right? So length of the arc plus twice of the radius. So L plus 2R. What is the relation between length of the arc and area? Just now I discussed area equals LR by 2. So same as the previous question, use these two formulas and find the answer and comment your answer. Okay, next question. See this question here. If two circles of radius 35 and 25 centimeters touch each other externally. See here, two circles touch each other externally, and the radius of the largest circle is given as 35 centimeters and the radius of the smaller circle is given as 25 centimeters. Then length of a common tangent, they ask us to find the length of the common tangent of these two circles, means this length. Simply they ask us to find direct common tangent value. So what is the direct common tangent formula here? DCT is nothing but square root of t square minus r1 minus r2 whole square. So what is the d here? Distance between the centers of the two circles. Here both circles touch each other, so the distance is nothing but sum of the radiuses only, right? So here square root of d is nothing but sum of the radius 35 plus 25, 60 whole square minus r1 minus r2, 31 minus 35 minus 25, 10. So 10 square. A square minus b square, a plus b 70, a minus b 50. So from this we will get a 10 outside, square root of 7 5 35. See here, we know that square root of 36 is 6. So if I assume this square root of 35 as 6, I will get 60 centimeters, but our square root of 35, so 60 centimeters very small quantity less than 6. So from the options, option number 2 is our answer. Next question. See this question here. 1/4 of a circular pizza. 1/4 is nothing but 1 by 4 only, right? So 1/4 of a circular pizza of diameter 18 centimeters was removed from the whole pizza. So if we assume this is the complete pizza, in this 1/4 part, let's say this part of the pizza is removed. So let us assume this part of the pizza is removed. Now they ask us to find what is the perimeter of the remaining pizza. If this is 1/4, what is the remaining pizza we left with? 3 by 4 only, right? So first this total curve area means 3 by 4 of circumference of a circle formula 2 pi r plus, and still we have this is a radius and this is a radius, right? So 2 times of radius. So here they are given diameter is 18, so radius is 9 centimeters. So 3 by 4 times 2 pi 22 by 7, radius is given as 9 plus 2 times of radius, 2 times 9 is 18 centimeters. So if we cancel 2 2s, 2 11s, 3 9s, 27, 27 11s, how much? 7 9 to 297 divided by 7 plus 18. See, 7 4s 28, 17, 7 2s 14, 30, 7 4s 20, 72.4 something plus 18. So 42.4 plus 18, 60.4 is our answer, which is option number 4. Let's hear next question. See this question here. AB is a diameter of a circle. So let AB is the diameter of the circle and C is a point on the circle. So C is a point on somewhere on the circle such that the tangent at C meets AB produced at the point P. Means if I extend this AB to some point P, so if I assume C at here, the tangent at C will meet the P it seems. So if CP is a tangent, they said if CAB is 34 degrees, means CAB means if I connect CA here, they are given CAB angle 34 degrees. They asked us to find CPB. CPB means they asked us to find this angle, let it be some alpha. So they are given this angle, they asked us to find alpha. See here, we have one property in a circle. If AB is a diameter, the angle made by the diameter in any semicircle is 90 degrees. Okay, so we'll use same property. So if I join BC here, AB is a diameter, right? So the angle made by the diameter in the semicircle is 90 degrees. And we also use another property. See, in a circle, if PQ is a chord here, the angle made by the angle made by this chord on the major segment is, let's say, theta, and there is a tangent at point P. See here, the property here is, if the chord made angle on the major segment with theta, it's the same angle made with the tangent passing through it. So if this is theta here and this is also theta, if we apply same property here also. See, if I assume BC as a chord here in the circle, if BC is a chord, it made a 34 degrees with the major segment, then this is a tangent at C, right? So it's the same angle which made with the tangent of 34 degrees. Okay, see, observe the triangle APC. So in an angle, in a triangle, the sum of the angles is 180, right? So 34 plus 90 plus 34 plus alpha is 180 degrees. So alpha equals 90 minus 34 plus 34, 68. So alpha is 22 degrees is our answer, which is option number 2. Let's see our next question. See this question here, from a circle of radius r units. So if this is a circle and this is a center, the radius is given as r units. The largest equilateral triangle is cut out. Means from this circle, if the largest equilateral triangle is cut out, they asked us to find the length of the side of the triangle. So if we assume ABC is an largest equilateral triangle cut out from the circle and the length of the each side be A. Observe here, if largest equilateral triangle is cut out from the circle, so simply the circle is nothing but circumcircle only, right? Circumcircle. So if this is circumcircle and this is equilateral triangle, what is the circumradius formula? If the capital R is the radius, capital R equals A by root 3 only, right? So from this, side is nothing but root 3 times R. So our answer is option number 1. So if they ask in radius, what is the in radius formula? In radius is A by 2 root 3. Remember this also. Okay, next question. See this question here. PQ is a chord of a circle. So let this be the PQ, chord of the circle, and also given the tangent XR. There is a tangent XR at on the circle, somewhere on the circle, intersects extension of PQ at point R. Means if I extend this PQ chord somewhere to the point R here, they said tangent XR means, so somewhere from the circle there is a point X, from this XR tangent will meet point R. Okay, given that XR value is 12 centimeters and PQ is X centimeters and QR is X minus 2 centimeters, they asked us to find the X value. If you observe from external point, Rx is a tangent, Rp is a secant, right? What is the relation between tangent and secant? See, if this is a circle and if this is an external point, if AP is a tangent here and ABC is a secant here, the relation is length of the tangent whole square. Means AP tangent whole square equals product short distance AB multiplied with long distance AC. So if you apply same formula here also, length of the tangent is 12 whole square here, shorter distance here x minus 2 multiplied with longer distance x plus x minus 2, which is 2x minus 2. 12 square is 144, x minus 2, I can take 2 common, so x minus 1, so 272. So we got a equation x minus 1 multiplied with x minus 2 is 72. So if we verify from options, see here, if I take x value as 8, so I have to multiply 7 multiplied with 6, which is 42, not 72. Same, if I assume 9 as x, 8 multiplied with 7, we are getting 56, not 72. If I assume 10 as x value, 9 times 8, we are getting 72. So our answer is x value is 8, option number 2. Let's see our next question. See this question here, two circles with centers B and D. So let this circle center be B and this circle center be D. Okay, and radii DA is 8 centimeters, means on this circle somewhere there is a point A, and also given radius of this circle is 8 centimeters it seems, and also BC equals x centimeters, means somewhere on this circle there is a point C, and also given radius is x centimeters. Okay, and AC is a tangent to both sides, means the point C and point A will make a tangent to the both circles, and TB and AC intersect at point E, means DB is nothing but distance between the centers, right? So this distance between centers is intersected by the tangent which is made by the point C and A it seems. So what is the tangent which will intersect centers between the distances? Transverse common tangent only, right? So if I draw transverse common tangent like this, somewhere here there is a point C and somewhere there is a point A here. Okay, and the radiuses are BC radius is x and the radius of this circle is 8 centimeters, and also given AE, they have given the intersecting point is E. AE equals 12 centimeters, means AE is 12 and EC is 18. EC is 18. They asked us to find the value of x value. See here, from the center to the tangent it will make 90 degrees. Okay, again from center to the tangent 90 degrees, and also see here vertical opposite angles are equal. If two angles in a triangle are equal, automatically the third angles will be equal. So by AA or angle property, triangle BCE, this angle to right angle, so similarly this angle to right angle, similar to DAE. Okay, if two triangles are similar triangles, then the side ratio will be proportional, right? So if we take these triangles here, BC by DA proportional to CE by AE proportional to BE by DE. Okay, here we need to find BC, means we need to find this value, and we have DA value and they have given CE value and AE value. So if you take this part of the relation, BC is x, DA is 8, CE is 18 and AE is 12. 6 3s, 6 2s, 2 4. So x value is 12 centimeters is the answer, option number 4. Let's see our next question. Now time, speed and distance questions. See here, a boat can travel at a speed of 15.5 km per hour in still water. So boat speed is given as 15.5 km per hour, and if speed of the stream is 4.5 km per hour and the given stream speed is 4.5 km per hour, then how much time will it take to go 76 km downstream, 76 km downstream and 104.5 km upstream, 104.5 km upstream. So we need to find total time. So first, time taken to go downstream. So total time taken to go downstream is nothing but distance upon speed. What is the downstream speed? Both stream speeds plus stream speed, right? So 15.5 plus 4.5. So 76 divided by 15.5 plus 4.5, 20. So 2 tens to 38. So 3.8 hours to go for downstream. Now time taken to go upstream, distance 104.5 divided by speed of the upstream, both stream speed minus stream speed. So 15.5 minus 4.5. So 104.5 divided by 15.5 minus 4.5, 11. See, 11 nines 99, you will be left with 5, 55, 9.5. So 9.5 hours to go upstream. So total time how much? 9.5 plus 3.8, 8 plus 5, 3 and 10, 13. 13.3 hours. Here they have given with minutes. So 13 hours plus 0.3 hours. 0.3 times 60. So 18 minutes. So 13 hours 18 minutes is our answer. Option number 2. Next question. See this question. A thief running at a speed of x km per hour, means thief speed is given as x km per hour and he is chased by a policeman running at a speed of 10 km per hour, means policeman speed is given as 10 km per hour. And see, if the thief is ahead by 100 meters, means the distance between the police and thief is 100 meters it seems. See here, let's say here is the thief and here is the policeman. Policeman is chasing the thief, so both are traveling in same direction. Here they have given the distance between the police and thief is 100 meters it seems. Okay, the policeman catches the thief after 3 minutes, means the policeman took 3 minutes to catch the thief. Okay, at what speed is thief running, means they asked us to find the x value. So for this kind of questions, the formula is relative speed equals distance between the policeman and thief divided by time. Okay, so what is the relative speed here? Both are traveling in same direction. So police speed minus thief speed, which is in kilometer per hour, equals distance between them 100 meters. If I convert in kilometers, 0.1 divided by time taken is 3 minutes. If I convert in hours, 3 divided by 60. So which implies 10 minus x equals 60 multiplied here 3 by 2. So you will get 2 here. So x is 8 km per hour is our answer. The thief speed is 8 km per hour. Option number 3. Next question. See this one. The ratio of speed of a boat to that of current water is 45:11. So boat speed by stream speed ratio they given as 45:11. Okay, the boat goes opposite the current. Opposite the current means upstream. Okay, in 5 hours 50 minutes, means they given us upstream time is 5 hours 50 minutes. Okay, they asked us to find what will be the time taken by the boat to come back, means they asked us to find downstream time. Okay, see here, upstream, downstream. If I take speed ratio here, so what is the speed of the upstream here? Boat speed minus stream speed only, right? So 45 minus 11 how much? 34. So what is the downstream speed here? Boat stream plus downstream speed only, right? 45 plus 11 is 56. So I can write 2 17s and 2 28. So I got speed ratio as 17:28. See, from the formula speed equals distance by time. If distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time, right? So speed ratio is this one. Time ratio how much? 28:11. Okay. Here upstream time they given us 5 hours 50 minutes. If I convert completely minutes, 5 hours is 300 minutes and 50. So this 28 is given as 350 minutes. They asked us to find downstream time 17 how much? See, 28 is given as 350 minutes. So we need to find 17 parts how much? See, 7 4s, 7 50s, 2 2s, 2 25s and 2 12.5 is 25. So similarly 17 12.5 is how much? 17 12 how much? 170 plus 34, which is 204 plus 17 times 0.5, which is 8.5. So total 212.5 minutes. Okay. If you want in the hours, 212.5 minutes is nothing but 3 hours is 180 minutes. So 3 hours plus you will be left with 32 minutes plus 0.5 minutes is 30 seconds. Okay, this is the exact time. Next question. See this question. The distance between two stations A and B is 800 kilometers. So there are two stations A and B and the distance between them is 800 kilometers. A train covers the journey from A to B at a speed of 90 km per hour. So from A to B the speed is 90 km per hour and returns to A with uniform speed of 65 km per hour. So from B to A the speed is 65 km per hour. They asked us to find average speed of the train. So when distance is same in both cases, average speed equals 2 times speed of 1 speed of 2 divided by speed of 1 plus speed of 2. So 2 times speed in first case 90, second case 65 divided by 90 plus 65. Okay, 2 times 90 times 65 divided by 90 plus 65, 155. So 5 31s and 5 13s. So if you see here, 39 so much, 90 plus 27, 117, 117 2 so much, 234. So 23410 divided by 31. So 31 7s how much? 31 7s is 7s is 217, right? So 217, you will be left with 17, 170, 35, 5 how much? 5, 155, and we left with 15. So we are getting an answer of 75 point something, which is option number 2. Next question. See this one, a motor boat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water. They have given boat speed which is 15 km per hour, goes 20 km downstream and comes back, means downstream distance is 20 km and upstream distance also 20 km. Okay, in total of 4 hours, means total time taken is 4 hours. They asked us to find speed of the stream. Though let the speed of the stream be x km per hour. Okay, total time is nothing but time taken to go downstream and time taken to go upstream. Okay, total time is 4 hours. Time taken to go downstream, time is nothing but distance by speed, right? Distance 20 kilometers. Speed in the downstream how much? Both streams plus stream speed. So 15 plus x plus time taken to go upstream, distance by what is the upstream speed? Boat minus stream, 15 minus x. So if I cancel with 4, 4 5s, 5s. So I got 1 by 5 equals 1 by 15 plus x plus 1 by 15 minus x. Okay, 1 by 5 equals, if I take LCM here, so I will get 15 square minus x square. In the numerator, 15 plus x minus 15 minus x get cancelled, so I will get 30. So 15 square minus x square equals 150. So x square is 225 minus 150, 75. So our answer is x is square root of 75 is nothing but 25 times 3. So our answer is 5 root 3 is our answer, option number 3. Next question. See this question, in a 3000 meter race, if vehicle A gives vehicle B a start of 400 meters. Let's say this is a 3000 meter race track. Here vehicle A gives vehicle B, means vehicle B is here, which is 400 meters ahead of the starting point. So vehicle A is at the starting point. So the vehicle B has to travel only 2600 meters, but vehicle A has to travel 3000 meters to reach the final point. Okay, then vehicle A wins the race by 10 seconds, which means this is the starting point, right? So let's take as the ending point. So let's take any point. This is a 3000 meter race track. After particular t time, the A reached from initial point to the destination point, but B is 10 seconds behind final destination, means B is 10 seconds distance still behind the final destination. This is the point. In the next step, if vehicle A gives vehicle B a start of 750 meters, there is another scenario, same 3000 meter race. Now vehicle B got 750 meter head start, means it has to travel only 2250 meters now. Okay, but A has to travel complete 3000 meters again. Okay, then they said the race ends in a dead heat, which means after a particular t time, B travel from this point to final destination, A travel from this point to final destination, both at same time. See here, they asked us to find how long does vehicle A to run 3000 meters, means time taken by A to run from here to here. Okay, see here, when B got 400 meter head start, it lost the race by 10 seconds, but when it got 750 meter head start, it reached the same time as A reached. So what is the difference here? 400 here, 750 here, which is 350 meters distance covered by B in 10 seconds only, right? Say again, I will repeat. when B got 400-meter head start, it lost the race by 10 seconds of distance. Means 10 seconds the B can run, that distance it lost. Similarly, when B got 750-meter head start, it reached the final destination in time, which means the difference, which is 350 meters traveled by B in 10 seconds only, right? So, here they asked us to find vehicle A time to run 3000 meter. See here, from here, from B, this position to this position means 2250 meters. Time taken by the B to run from this point to this point is same as time taken by A to run from this point to this point, right? Say again, I'll repeat. Time taken by B to run from this point to this point is same as time taken by A to run from this point to this point, right? So, time taken by the B to travel 2250 meters is same time will A take to run 3000 meters. So, 2250 meters done run by B, how much time is the same time A will take to cover this 3000 meters. See here, 0 gets cancelled, 7 5s, 7 4s 20, 7 5 450s. So, our answer is 450, sorry, this is 7s, right? 7 5s, 450 divided by 7, 7 6 42, you will get with 30, 7 4 20, 64 point something is our answer, option number 2. Next question. Now, algebra questions. See here, square root of x plus 1 by square root of x value, they are given us 3. They asked us to find this value. See, we have square root of x plus 1 by square root of x value 3. We already discussed this formula, right? If x plus 1 by x is p, then x square plus 1 by x square is p square minus 2, right? So, if I apply same formula here also, here if I square x plus 1 by x value, 3 square minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7. But here they have given square form. So, I will do one more square. So, x square plus 1 by x square how much? 7 square minus 2, 47. So, see here, x square minus 47 equals minus 1 by x square, right? So, if I cross multiply this x square here, x square times x square minus 47, we got minus 1. They asked us this value, see, x square times x square minus 41, which is answer minus 1, option number 2. Next question. See this question here, x power 12 plus 1 by x power 12 is given as 10 root 2. They asked us to find x power 36 minus 1 by x power 36. So, they went from 12 to 36, means they simply done cube, right? So, I can write this question as x plus 1 by x is given as 10 root 2. They asked us to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay. So, we have to go from x plus 1 by x to x cube minus 1 by x cube. There is no formula that from x plus 1 by x minus x cube minus 1 by x, but you can go from x minus 1 by x to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So, first we need to convert this x plus 1 by x to x minus 1 by x. So, how is that? If x plus 1 by x is p, then x minus 1 by x is plus or minus square root of p square minus 4 only, right? So, if I use this formula, x minus 1 by x equals plus or minus square root of, here p how much? 10 root 2, 10 root 2 whole square minus 4. So, x minus 1 by x equals 10 root 2 whole square, 200 minus 4, 196, 196 square root of is 14. So, we got x minus 1 by x value. Now, we have to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. So, we also have one more formula. If x minus 1 by x is p, x cube minus 1 by x cube how much? P cube plus 3p only, right? So, here x cube minus 1 by x cube equals p here 14. So, 14 cube plus 3 times of 14. 14 cube how much? 2744, right? So, 14 3 is 30 plus 12, 42. So, our answer is 2786 is our answer, option number 3. Next question. See this one, if 3x minus 2y is 10 and xy is 11, they asked us to find this value. See, I can write this value as 3x whole cube minus 2y whole cube, right? So, if I assume 3x as a and 2y as b, so we need to find a cube minus b cube. So what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? We have a minus b whole cube plus 3ab times a minus b only, right? So see here, a cube minus b cube means 27x cube minus 8y cube equals a minus b means 3x minus 2y value 10, 10 cube plus 3 times a how much here? 3x and b how much here? 2y times a minus b value again 10. So 10 cube is 1000 plus 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 times 180 times xy value they are given us 11. So 1000 plus 10, so 18 times 11 how much? 891, right? So 1000 plus 1980, 2980 is our answer, option number 1. Next question. See this question. If 1.5x is 0.04y means 1.5x is 0.04y. From this, x by y equals 0.04 divided by 1.5, right? So I can write this as 4 by 100, which is 10 by 15. Okay, 1 0 gets cancelled, 2 2's and 2 5's. So we got x by y ratio as 2 by 15 by 75. So here they asked us to find this expression. See, I can write this expression as y square minus x square is y plus x multiplied with y minus x, right? So denominator we have x square plus y square plus 2ab means 2xy means x plus y whole square. So y plus x, 1 y plus x cancel. So we need to find the value y minus x by y plus x. So we can substitute the values x as 2, y as 75 directly because the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator is same. So 75 minus 2 divided by 75 plus 2. So we got 73 by 77 is your answer, which is option number 3. Next question. Now geometry questions. See here, the side QR of a triangle PQR is extended to a point S. Let's say this is PQR triangle and this QR side is extended to a point S. Okay, if angle PRS is 104 degrees, they have given PRS, this angle is 104 degrees and also angle RQP is 3/5 of angle QPR. See, angle RQP is 3/5 of angle QPR. So this is nothing but angle RQP divided by angle QPR is 3/5. Angle RQP is nothing but RQP is this part is 3 parts, angle QPR this is 5 parts. Okay, then the value of angle QPR means they asked us to find this 5 parts. We know a theorem, right? The exterior angle equals sum of two interior opposite angles, right? So sum here 3 plus 5, 8 parts is given as exterior angle 104 degrees. They asked us to find 5 parts here. 5 parts how much? See here, 8 ones and 8 threes. So 13 5's how much? 65 degrees is our answer, option number 3. Next question. See this one, in a triangle ABC. So let this be a ABC triangle. D is a point on BC. So somewhere on BC there is a point D. Okay, if AD multiplied with DC equals AC multiplied with BD. So they gave us a relation AB multiplied with DC equals AC multiplied with BD. Okay, angle BAD is A. So angle BAD means if I join AD here, this angle they given us BAD is A here, angle CAD is B, CAD, this angle they given us B. They asked us to find which of the following is correct, which relation is correct from the options. Okay, if you observe the given relation here, I can write AB divided by AC equals BD divided by DC, right? See this relation. From this relation you can say that this relation is nothing but angle bisector theorem, right? Angle bisector theorem, which means when AB, this is AB divided by AC ratio equals BD divided by DC ratio, this happens only when AD is a angular bisector. When AD is an angular bisector, the angle here and the angle here both are same, which means A equals to B is our answer, option number 3. Next question. See this one, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So let this be ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. They said this side is equals to this side. Okay. A circle through B means a circle through B and touching AC means this side at the middle point of Q means in the side if middle point is Q, the circle is passing through Q it seems, intersects AB at P. It also intersects AB at P point it seems. Let us draw the cycle. So, circle through B touching the midpoint of AC and AB. Oh, sorry for my drawing, but understand the concept. Okay, intersects B. So, touching AB at P, they ask us to find AP is to AB. They ask us to find AP is to AB. Okay, see here from this external point A, AQ is a tangent, right, and AP is a secant, right. We learned in previous problem, if this is a tangent and this is a secant, what is the relation? AQ square equals AP multiplied with AB, right. AQ square small distance to long distance multiplication. Okay. So, as this is the midpoint, if I assume this value as A and as this midpoint, this value also becomes A, right, and this complete side length is 2A. As AC equals to AB, if this complete length is 2A, this complete length also 2A only, right. See, from this relation, AQ how much? Tangent length is A, so A square equals AP. We need to find multiplied with AB. AB how much? Complete length, right, 2A. So, 1A gets cancelled. So, we got AP value A by 2 and we also have AB value is 2A, right. So, AP by AB equals AP A by 2. AB how much? Complete 2A. A gets cancelled. So, we got 1 by 4. 1:4 is our answer, option number 1. Next question. See this one, two similar triangles, triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. So, here they have given us triangle XYZ is similar to the triangle LMN it seems, and also area of triangle XYZ is 75.69. This triangle area given us 75.69 and also area of triangle LMN 8.41. This triangle area they given us 8.41. Also YZ 9.69 centimeters means this side length they given us 9.69. They asked us to find MN, this side length. Okay, see here they said both triangles are similar triangles. We know that when two triangles are similar triangles, their sides ratio XY by LM, this sides ratio square means all the sides ratio square YZ by MN whole square equals XZ by LN whole square. This sides ratio square will be equals to ratio of their areas, which means area of XYZ divided by area of LMN. Okay. So, here they have given YZ here and they asked us to find MN. Okay. YZ they have given us 9.69, MN we need to find. So, whole square equals area of XYZ 75.69 and area of LMN 8.41. Okay. From this 9.69 divided by MN is nothing but, if I remove point and this will become square root of 7569 divided by 841, right. So, we know that square root of 841 is nothing but 29, right. So, how to find 7569 square root? So, what is the square root value that is nearer to 75? 864. So, here last digit is 9. So, either 3 or 7 will be the second digit. See 8, 9, 72, but here they are given 75. So, we will take big value. So, 87 is our square root value. So, we got 9.69 divided by MN equals 87 divided by 29. See 29 3 is 87 and if I cancel 3.23. So, MN equals 3.23 centimeters, which is option number 4. Now, simple interest and compound interest problems. See here, Ramu invested some money at 8% simple interest per annum. So, here they are given 8% per annum and it was grown up to 820 rupees, means amount is given as 820 rupees in 8 years. Time is given as 8 years. If same sum was invested at 20% simple interest per annum, so 20% simple interest per annum for a period of 10 years. Now the time is 10 years. They asked us to find the amount. So they asked us to find the amount in this case. See here, in the first case, 8% per simple interest for 8% per annum for 8 years means 8 times 8, 64% is a simple interest. Okay. If I assume 100% is our capital here, means principal here, 100 plus 64, 164% is the amount. So which is given as 820 rupees. Okay. Here 20% is simple interest per annum for 10 years means I will get simple interest 200%. If 100% is the principal, 100 plus 200, I will get 300% is the amount. So if 164% is 820, I want 300%. That's all. See here, percentages gets cancelled. 4 41s, 4 205s, 41 5s is 205. Similarly, 305 how much? 1500 is our answer. Option number 1. Next question. See this one, a sum of 7800. So principal is given as 7800, amounts to rupees 10381.8. So amount is given as 10381.8 at x percentage per annum. Okay, x percentage per annum. Okay, this is x. Okay, in 2 years. In 2 years, when interest is compounded 8 monthly. Interest is compounded 8 monthly. See, 2 years is nothing but 24 months. So 24 by 8. So interest is compounded 3 times. See, if I draw a timeline here, if this is 24 months, for after 8 months, again one of the 8 months, after 8 months, the interest is compounded 3 times. Okay, here the what is the total interest we got here? What is the total compound interest we got here? 10,381.8 minus 7,300, 2,200 plus 3. So 2,581.8 is the total interest we got. So what is this total interest percentage from the principal? So 2581.8 divided by 7,800 multiplied with 100. So this is the effective percentage we got, right, on the 3 times of interest. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. So this is nothing but 25818 divided by 780. If I cancel with 2, 2 3 6, 2 9 18, 390, 2 1s 2 2s 4, 2 9s 18, 209. So if I cancel with 39 first, 39 tens and 39 3s how much? 90 plus 27, which is 117, right? So 129 minus 117, 120 minus 117, 2, 120, again 3 times, again 117, I will be left with 3 and 39, so once. So we got 331 by 10, I got 33.1% effective interest here. Tell me what is the value of interest compounded 8 monthly, so that I get effective interest as 33.1, 10% only, right? So see, if 10%, 10%, 10%, if I do 3 times increase, I will get 33.1. So this 10% interest is for 8 monthly. Okay, so for 8 months the interest is 10%, but x percent is per 12 per annum. So 12 months how much? 4 2s, 4 3s, 2 5s, so 3 5s, 15% is our x value here. Okay, see our next part of the question. What will be the compound interest on the same sum, means same principal 7,800 at x plus 5%? 15% is 5, so our new percentage is 20%. Principal 7,800, here they have given 1 year, but the interest is compounded half yearly, means 6 months. Here 6 months means here 1 year is 12 months. So we need to 2 times the interest is compounded, right? For 2 times our golden number is 2 1. Okay, for and this 20% is per annum, but for 6 months we get again 10% for 6 months. Okay, 10% of 7800 is 780 plus, and 10% of 780 is 78. So if I add this value, what is our answer? I'll get to 0 and I'll get a unit digit 8. So one and only option 1638 is our answer. Next question. Now let's see average problems. See here, the average of square of natural numbers from 1 to 71. They asked us to find the square of natural numbers average. So first, what are the values? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on. 71 square is our values. So average is sum of the values 1 square, 2 square, so on 71 square divided by number of values 1 to 71, number of values 71. So now we need to find the sum of 1 square to 71 square. What is the formula for squares? Squares of natural numbers, n times n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, here average equals, here n is 71, 71 times n plus 1, 72 times 2n plus 1, 142 plus 1, 143 divided by 6 whole divided by 71. 71 gets cancelled, 6 1s, 6 2s. So our average is 143 times 12. So unit digit is 6. We have two options, sorry. 12 3s 36, 3 carry forward. 12 4s 48, 3s 51, 5 carry forward. 12 plus 5, 17, 16 is our answer, option number 4. Next question. See this one. The average weight of a certain number of students in a class is 68.5. Let's say there are n number of students. N number of students average is 68.5. Okay. If 4 new students having weights, they given 4 weights here. So one person weight is 72.2 and another person weight is 70.8 and another person 70.3 and another person 66.7. So when these 4 people are added to the initial n number of students, the average weight of the students increases by 300 grams, which means when these 4 added, the total students is n plus 4, the average increased by 300 grams, which means initial average 68.5, 300 grams is 0.3. Okay, let's make deviations equal. Okay, deviations equal. So I will assume 68.5 is the average here. So if I assume 68.5 here we get deviation 0 and here we get 72.2 minus 68.5. So here is 1.5 and is 2.2. So we will get 3.7 and here 70.8 minus 68.5, 1.5 plus 0.8, which is again 2.3 plus 70.3 minus 68.5, 1.5 plus 0.3 plus 1.8 plus 66.7 minus 68.5 means which is minus 1.8 here LHS deviation is this one, RHS 68.5 plus 0.3 minus 68.5. So we get 0.3 deviation. Total number of students is n plus 4. Okay, here only 1 people. So if I multiply with 1 also I will get same answer. So I did not multiply 1. Okay, here we got deviation 3.7 plus 2.3. This is 6 plus, so 1.8, 0.8 cancelled. So 6 plus 0 equals n plus 4 times 0.3. So see here 6 equals n plus 4. 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. So 3 2's, we got n plus 4 equals 20. So n equals 16 is our answer. So initially we have 16 number of students, which is option number 1 here. Let's hear next question. Now real numbers concept. See here, when 77 per 77 plus 77 is divided by 78, they ask us to find the remainder. See, 77 power 77 plus 77 divided by 78. See here, when 77 divided by 78, the remainder is minus 1. Here power 77. So 77 plus 77 by 78, remainder minus 1. Minus power odd number. So minus 1, minus 1. So we got the remainder minus 2. But here the options are given positive. So how will you convert negative remainder into positive one? Simply add the divisor 78 plus remainder minus 2, 78 minus 2, 76 is our remainder, option number 4. Next question. See this one, LCM and HCF of two 4-digit numbers is 19261 and 103. So here they have given LCM value is 19261 and HCF value is 103. They asked us to find sum of these two numbers. Okay, see here, if they are given HCF value, we can say that one number is 103A and another number is 103B, where A comma B are co-primes. Okay, these are the two numbers. They asked us to find sum of these two numbers. See, if these are the two numbers, what is their LCM? Their LCM is nothing but 103 multiplied, these are co-primes, right? So A times B, this is the LCM which is given as 19261. See here, 103, once how much? 103, you will be left with 92 minus 3, 89 and 896. So 103, 8 times how much? 8 times 8, 24. So you will be left with 2, 721. 103, 7 times is 721. So we got AB value 187. Tell me, what are the two co-prime numbers we get multiplication 187? See, I can write this 187 as 11 times 11 ones 11, 11 7 77, right? So these are two co-prime numbers and their product is 197. So I can say that A is 7 and B is 17. Okay, then they asked us to find sum of these two numbers. Sum is nothing but 103 times A plus B, right? So which is nothing but 103 A plus B. 11 plus 17 is 28 is our answer. So 3 sums, so unit digit we will get 4. We have two options. So 28, 3 how much? 60 plus 24, 84, 8 carry forward, 23, 28, 0, 0, 0 plus 8. So last two digits 84. Option number 3 is our answer. Next number. See this one. If a 9-digit number, means this number is divisible by 72, they ask us to find this value. So here they have given value 389x6378y. This number is divisible by 72, it seems. So 72 is nothing but 8 9s, right? So if this number is divisible by 72, this complete number is divisible by 8 and 9 also. So what is the divisibility rule of 8 here? Means last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So 7 8y should be divisible by 8. We know that 8 9 72. So the remainder here is 6. So what is the value of y we can keep so that we get divisible by 8? We know that 64, 8 8 64, right? So we know that y equals 4 here. So now see 9 here. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Either sum of the digits should be divisible by 9 or digital sum is divisible by 9. Let us see the digital sum. So 9, 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 7 18, so cancel. So x plus 8, we got y equals to 4, 8 plus 4 12, 12 means digital sum 3, 3 plus x should be divisible by 9. So what is the value of x we can place so that it is completely divisible by 9? So it is clear that x equals to 6. So we got x equals to 6 and y equals to 4. So we need to find value 6x plus 7y. 6x is nothing but 6, 7, y is nothing but 4, 36 plus 28. 36 plus 30 how much? 66 minus 2, 64 is our answer. Option number 1. Next question. See this one. What is the remainder when 3 power 255 is divided by 28? See here, 3 power 255 divided by 28. We know that 3 power 3 is 27, right? So if I can write 3 power 3 multiplied with 255 divided by 3, 3 8 is 24, 3 5 is 15 divided by 28. So 3 power 3 is nothing but 27 power 85 divided by 28. Just now we saw 27 by 28, remainder minus 1 power 85, minus 1 per odd number. So minus 1 is our remainder, but the options are in positive. So how we can convert negative remainder into positive? Just add the divisor. 28 plus negative remainder, 28 minus 1, 27 is our answer, which is option number 4. Next question. See this question. Let LCM of first 100 natural numbers be x. Here given LCM of first 100 natural numbers in the 1 to 100, right? Means LCM of first 1 to 100 natural numbers is given as x, and also LCM of first 105 natural numbers is given as y. So, LCM of first 105 natural numbers means 1 to 105, this one given as y. They asked us to find the value of y is to x, which means they asked us to find the y by x. Okay. Now, let us find the actual value of LCM of 1 to 105. Okay. So, LCM of 1 to 105 can be written as LCM of 1 to 100 and 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105, right? Okay. LCM of 1 to 100 they given us x. Okay. Up to this point LCM we know that x. Now, let us include 101 also. 101 is a prime number. So, LCM of 1 to 100 plus 101 is nothing but x multiplied with 101 is the LCM. Now, see the 102. 102 is nothing but 51 times 2, right? So, in the LCM of 1 to 100 you will get the number 51 and also 2. So, 102 is already included in the LCM of 1 to 100. So, there is no need to include 102. Now, see the 103 here. 103 is a prime number. So, LCM up to 103 how much? Multiplied with 103. Now, see 104. 104 is nothing but 52 times 2, right? In the 1 to 100 you will have 52 and also 2. So, there is no need to include 104 again. 105 is the 5 multiple, it will already be included in the 1 to 100. So, 105 is also not included. So, the exact value of LCM of 1 to 105 is x times 101 times 103. This value they given us y. They asked us to find y divided by x. So, from this equation y divided by x is 10 times 103 is our answer. So, unit digit is 3. So, option number 4 here. Next question. See this one. If dividing this complete expression by x minus 2 leaves remainder 994, it seems they ask us to find the value of m. Let me explain through an example. If they say like if the expression x square minus 4x plus 4 is completely divisible by x minus 2. So, they said this expression is completely divisible by x minus 2. What is the meaning of that? Which means x minus is the factor of this number, which means x minus 2 is 0, x is equals to 2. Means if I substitute x value 2 in the given expression, I will get the remainder 0. So, that is the meaning of this expression is completely divisible by this value. Okay. In the similar case, if dividing this complete expression by x minus 2. So, if I take x minus 2 as 0 and x value 2, if I substitute x value 2 in the expression, they said I will get the remainder 994. Okay. If I substitute 2 in here, 2 times 2 power of m plus 2 cube minus 3 2 square minus 24. This value they said I will get 994. Okay. 2 power 1 a power of m multiplied with a power of n. So, a power of m plus n plus 2 cube is 8 minus 4 3 4 is 12 minus 26 is 994. See here 8 minus 12 minus 4 minus 4 minus 26 minus 30 minus 30 plus 30. So, 2 power of m plus 1 994 plus 30 is equals to 1024. 1024 is nothing but 2 power of 10, right. So, 2 power of m plus 1 equals 2 power of 10. When bases are equal, powers must be equal. So, m plus 1 equals 10, m equals to 9 is our answer, option number 3. Next problem. See this one, the 5 digit number 725YZ is divisible by 15, it seems. So, 725YZ number is completely divisible by 15, it seems. They asked us what is the maximum possible value of the product of y and z. Okay. So, 15 is nothing but 3 times 5, right. So, this complete digit is divisible by 3 and 5 also. So, what is the divisible rule of 5 here? The unit digit should be either 0 or 5. Here the unit digit is z here, means z can be either 0 or 5, but we want maximum value. So, we take maximum value. So, z value 5 here. Okay, what is the divisibility of 3 here? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 5 we take z, right? 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus y. So 19 plus y should be divisible by 3. So what are the values of y? Can be 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. These are the values of y, possible values of y, but we want maximum possible value. So we will take maximum value y equals to 8. They asked us product of these values. So 5 times 8 how much? 40 is our answer, option number 4. Chalo, next question. Now let's solve the time and work problems. See here, 30 men working 5 hours a day can do a work in 18 days. In how many days will 20 men working in 7 hours a day do the same work here? So we have a general formula for this kind of problems, which is M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 equals M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Here M is men, D is days, H is hours and W is work. In the question, what are the elements given? You can substitute in this formula and you can find the answer. So according to this question, we have 30 men, 5 hours a day, 18 days. Here work is same, so both are 1 here. Okay, work is same, obviously they are cancelled, just I took 1. So men here, here 20 men, days is I need to find, hours is 7 hours, work is same, so I kept as 1, 0 gets cancelled, 2 9s. So we have x equals 3 5 15, 15 9s 135, 135 by 7, which is x equals 7 1 7. We have 65, 7 9 63, 19, 2 by 7 is our answer, which is option number 1. Let's see our next question. See this one, if 24 people can build 90 identical walls, which is a work here, in 25 days, then how many more days will 27 people require to build 162 walls? So we discussed a formula in the previous question, right? Same formula applies the same formula. Here they have given work 90 walls and 162 walls. Solve this problem and comment your answer. Okay, let's see our next question. See this one, there are two workers A and B. They can work together and complete the whole work in 20 hours. Means there are two workers A and B, they can complete the whole work in 20 hours. Okay, if A worked for 5 hours, so let's say A worked for 5 hours and B worked for 15 hours. So B worked for 15 hours and still there was half of the work to be done, it seems. Means after working for 5 hours of A and 15 hours of B, still there is half of the work left. Okay, we know that work equals time multiplied by efficiency, right? Okay, what is the total work here? Total work is time 20 hours, efficiency is A plus B. Let us suppose A efficiency is A and B efficiency B. So this is the total work here. See, A done 5 hours of means time multiplied efficiency of A is A plus B done 15 hours with efficiency B, means they both combined done the work half of the total work. So total work is 20 times A plus B divided by 2. Okay, so 2 times 10. So we have here 10A, here 5A, so we have 5A here, here we have 10B, here 15B, so we will get 5B here. So we got A by B ratio 1 by 1. So A's efficiency is 1 and B's efficiency is also 1 here. So here they asked in how many hours A working alone can complete the whole work. What is the complete work here? 20 times of A plus B. So 20 times of A plus B, 1 plus 1, 2 divided by A's efficiency 1. So our answer is 40 hours, which is option number 2 here. Let's see our next question. Here I kept some questions in miscellaneous section. Okay, see here, Arvind has 650 kg of wheat. So he has 650 kg of wheat. In this, a part of which he sells at 9% profit, 9% profit, and the rest at 19% profit, and the rest is 19% profit, to get 15% of the whole. So he got 15% on whole. It seems they asked us to find quantity of the wheat sold at 9% profit. They asked us to hold at 9% profit. Simply apply allegation. See, 9%, 19%, So you got 15% as whole. See, 15 minus 9 is 6, 19 minus 5 is 4. So 2 is to 3. So 2 plus 3, 5 parts is total 650 kg. They asked 9% profit weight. So 2 parts, which is 2 parts, how much? 5 13s and 1 more 0. So similarly 2 13s, which is 36, 1 more 360 kg is the 9% profit we got, which is option number 4. Let's see next question. See this one. If the equations 2x plus 3y plus 11 is 0 and 6x plus 3y plus 33 is 0 represent coincident lines, find the value of the k. See here, let us suppose two lines equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0. If these two lines are coincident lines, the relation is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. This is coincident relation. So if these two are parallel lines, so if these are parallel lines, the relation is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Okay, remember here they have given coincident, so we will apply this relation. A1 here is 2, a2 here is 6, b1 here is 3, b2 here is k, c1 here is 11 and c2 here is 33. Equate any two ratios. So if I equate first two ratios, 1 by 3 equals 3 by k. So we got k equals 9, option number 3. Let's see next question. See this one, the third proportional to 3 comma 6. First let us discuss proportional formulas. If a, b, c 3 values are given, the fourth proportional is nothing but bc divided by a. If they are given two values a comma b and ask you to find third proportional, the formula is b square by a. And if they again given two values and ask you to find mean proportion, the formula is square root of ab. So here third proportional, so b square by a, 6 square by 3, 36 by 3, 12 is our answer, option number 4. So that's all for this video guys. I hope these questions will boost your preparation. If you found this video, please do hit that like and subscribe button. So all the best for your exam. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Love you all.